Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Saharnpur location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Midhouse Techno Concept Private Limited. They are looking for Management Information System Executive. And coming to the qualifications required for this job role, like MCA or BCA or BTech or BE in Computer Science or IT. And coming to the experience required, like minimum 3 years of work experience in the relevant field is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for human resource intern in FTS, like it is failure to success. If you see the job responsibilities or intern responsibilities, like answering employee requests and questions, coordinate and delegate the task to the appropriate person of the team, update and keep employee records in check, assisting in the recruitment and interview process, and help supervisors in assessing employee engagement and evaluation, and responsible for core strategies and conflict resolution with and among the team. And coming to the perks, like a chance to work directly with the core team, and letter of recommendation as per the performance, and declaration of the best performance of their weekly based activity, and mentorship throughout the internship, and LinkedIn recommendation to the best performers, and the skills endorsement based on overall performance throughout the tenure, and personalized feedback from their mentors. These are some perks get by the interns. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this internship, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for logistics coordinator in Alstom. And if you see the experience and skill sets required, like the candidates must have minimum 4 to 6 years of work experience in logistics management, preferred like RS or automobile, and language skills like proficient in English language. And coming to the IT skills, like MS Office tools like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and SAP like IMMM and WMS module, and proven management skills with the ability to optimize team performance and development, highly skilled communicator with the ability to form and maintain good relationships internally and externally, and strong interpersonal negotiation and influencing skills, and customer focused. These are some experience and skill sets required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for supply chain manager in Alstom. Coming to the education required, like BE in mechanical from a reputed college with 7 to 10 years of work experience with at least 3 years of work experience as an organization's dedicated lean leader, and extensive implementation experience with the following techniques is required, like 5S, failure mode and effect analysis, production leveling techniques such as Heizunka visual workplace, and standardized work and cellular manufacturing, Kaizen single piece flow and pull, and total productive maintenance. And coming to the experience and skill sets required, like 15 years of experience in the industry or engineering, and 5 years of experience in training, and knowledge of railway industry norms and certifications would be a strong asset, and experience of the full training life cycle from concept through to implementation and facilitation. These are some skills and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for HDFC Sales Private Limited in HDFC. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, like to source open market business to and achieve the targets assigned, to be completely aware of the products being offered by the company and understand competition offering and handle customer objections, to always be well groomed and his sales kit should be organized and complete, and to maintain company first attitude and be respectful in attitude towards other fellow colleagues, seniors, partners, etc. And coming to the desired candidate profile, like the candidate must be a graduate from any stream and should have minimum 6 months of experience in market sales and open to travel and must have good communication skills. These are some desired qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for material planning leader in Alstom, and if you see the education required like BE or BTech is required, and if you see the experience or skill sets required like 8 years plus experience in material planning, preferred RS or automobile, and coming to the language skills like proficient in English language, and IT skills will be MS Office tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and ASCOD, SAP, MM module, and Kinaxis. These are some experience or skill sets required. And if you see the responsibilities for this job role, like evaluate various assortments and their settings in ERP with the purpose to, to improve their delivery performance by changing these materials partners in ERP, perform analysis of material demands using the software tooling spare parts management studio, identifying the strategy for material lean just in case and wholesale, select potential material for assortments, identify exceptions in automated analysis to generate a good material forecast. These are some responsibilities for this job role. For more detailed information, check in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for embedded software developer in JDAPAX Industries Private Limited. Coming to the job description, like they are looking for an embedded programmer with experience in firmware design and knowledge on STM32 microcontrollers such as ARM, and they are mainly looking for someone to develop their embedded software and its applications using Raspberry Pi with LCD display. And the candidates should know the C++, C, Python, and preferable assembly languages. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for electronic repair manager in Alstom, and if you see the experience or skill sets required for this job role, like at least 10 years of experience in manufacturing and test industrialization, electrical engineering with the experience in electronic factory, and familiarity with the train control system equipment and all the related industrial and manufacturing process, and experience of ERP and manufacturing supervision tools, experience of test environment, test stand, Gemini or Derby, and experience of electric or electronic ESD and safety rules, and language skills like fluent English written and spoken, French is a plus, and coming to the IT skills like MS Office tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for React Native developer in a 7 Solver. For this job role, 1 year of experienced candidates can apply, and immediate joiners on-site will be a preference. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.